thanks to conservation works which were held in the center, in our center, the Center of Research and Restoration for the French Museums, we were able to develop a comprehensive study on several paintings on Leonardo, on the Belle Ferronnière, for instance, which was started about 5 or 6 years ago, which was restored by Cinzia Pasquali, who is here. And we were able to study the 3 paintings which were bought by Leonardo when he was invited by François Ier to be in France, and where he died 500 years ago in Amboise on the Loire Valley. These 3 paintings are, as you know, the Sainte Anne, the St. John the Baptist, and the Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa was not conserved at all. At the moment, nobody has accepted to touch and to transform the image which is on this icon, which is a normal painting, as you know. However, we were able to develop X-ray fluorescent scanner. The scanner which was built and conceived in my laboratory by colleagues Thomas Caligaro, Laurent Pichon, and Brice Moignard and Eric Laval. And I will show this afternoon the results which has been achieved on these 3 paintings. On 3 paintings, but for time not consuming too much time, will show results on the La Belle Ferronnière, on St. John the Baptist, and Mona Lisa. What's a new image, and also how we approach the painting technique of Leonardo.